Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Skate 3 on PS5. So first up, it is not possible to play Skate 3 directly on a PS5. The PS5 does not have backward compatibility with PlayStation 3 discs or digital titles due to major differences in the console's hardware architecture. The original game was released for the PS3 and Xbox 360. However, there are a couple of alternatives if you want to play a skateboarding game on your PS5. First, play the new Skate game. The newest entry in the Skate franchise, simply titled Skate is a free-to-play title available on PlayStation 5, Xbox, and PC. The game is a reboot of the series developed by the new studio Full Circle. It is available as a free download from the PlayStation Store and features cross-platform play with other consoles. Next, stream PS3 games with PlayStation Plus Premium. Sony's PlayStation Plus Premium subscription tier includes a catalog of classic games that can be streamed to your PS5. This feature allows you to play PS3 games through cloud gaming, which is processed on remote servers and streamed to your console. This option requires a stable and fast internet connection to avoid latency issues. However, keep in mind that Skate 3 is not currently available in the PlayStation Plus streaming library. The titles available through the service can change over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.